We're men. We're men in tights. We cut from the rich and give to the poor. That's right. We may look like sissies, but watch what you say, or else we'll put out your lights. We're men. We're men in tights. Always on guard, defending the people's rights. We're men.